The way we like to wrap the show is with something we call the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got for us?
Mine helps us have more fun. And this is a photographer tool, but agents can use it as well. This day and age where lights are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, we're looking for, I think you've done, Kyle, the, what's the little light called?
Lume cubes?
The Lume cubes.
Mm-hmm.
My recommendation is actually going to be on the opposite side. It's one of my big studio lights. The thing that I really like about this is you get really nice quality of light, and you get a lot of light from it. We're going to be utilizing these in the new studio, set up with big diffusers, and we'll put them on wheels so we can turn them around and move them around from our podcast studio to our green screen. And I'm just a big fan of the big lights because you get the really nice quality of light. So the ones I use are the CLAR Luma Max 300. I think they're the Adorama brand, so adorama.com. I bought a kit with 2 of them and some stands and some diffusers for like $1,200, which I understand is not cheap, but the quality of light that comes from it, the amount of light that it puts out, it's really, really nice. And in terms of big light setups, I was gonna buy one light that was $1,100, and I bought this whole setup for $1,200. So that's my widget.
Cool. All right, the one I want to share, I didn't realize it does all this other stuff. I was using this just for tracking mileage because that's something that's good for you to do. But apparently you can also do expense tracking. You can help with some of your tax prep. You can create invoices for customers. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with this one. It's called Hudlr, Hurdlr, Hurdlr. And yeah, the 3 primary components are mileage tracking, expenses, and taxes. But there's all kinds of stuff that you can do with this system. So I've been using it. It's really cool. Every time I finish a drive, it's like, hey, you just did this many miles, which is this much of a write-off. So you should have a system like that in your business that's helping you track all of that stuff. So Hurdlr, Hurdlr.
Is it free or?
So far,
Cool.
I haven't hit a paywall yet.
Cool.
So they probably take your info and sell it to people so they can market to you or something, I'm sure. Yeah. But so far it's been good. I've had no complaints with it. Doesn't kill my battery or anything. So check out Hudlr. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, hopefully you guys got some value out of the show today. Again, if you did, we'd love it if you're watching on YouTube. Hit that little thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you enjoyed the show, and also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you get notified of future episodes of the show. If you are listening on a podcast platform, hook us up with a review on there. And if you have questions you want to have us answer on a future episode of the show, you can go to thewhisselway.com. You can ask us questions, subscribe to the podcast YouTube channel, join our referral network, and get dialed in with that early bird pricing on our Media Mayor Mastermind course, thewhisselway.com. With that said, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.